Okay, so today is the 24th of June. I've not been posting charts on TradingView because I was overseas for about 2 weeks. All right. So anyway, we're back now. Today is Monday, and there were only two trades that I took. I think three trades actually. Three trades that I took, and they were on the Kiwi dollar and pound dollar. So I'll show that later on. But meanwhile, let's just take a look at some of the forecasts and see how many I got wrong or correct before my overseas trip, right? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Let's just cover 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's cover 12 if I can. Okay, if I can. Then I gotta go exercise. All right, let's just look just to see what happened. So far, what's the silver? Let's just click, see what happened. So this one went up. Okay, I can tell you that when I was overseas, I didn't take any trade on this. Even though I pointed this up, but it was not an easy, not the easiest of buys. There was some potential buy here, but this looked pretty strong actually. This had this potential of coming here. Oh yes, I did take this trade. I actually took this sell right here. I wanted to take this something like here, and I want this to drop down to around this level. So something like this. This actually looked like a very good idea, and I kind of like this. I kind of like that. And for this to break, I actually took this loss over here. And it's wanted to actually be wrong and be wrong quickly. And it's okay to take like $500 or $1,000 loss, because when you make, you're always going to be making something like that. If you lose this, but you can make that. That's okay, right? That's okay. So this actually did have a very good downside to it. One way you could have, if I was my computer right, is that when this one came down here, when I took the sell and it went back up here, I could actually take it a buy, immediately switch to the other side and take the buy, and then let's put a loss over this side, right? The stop loss over this side. So my emphasis here is knowing where your stop loss should be rather than knowing where your take profit should be. Right? But this whole thing was quite tricky, I would say. This looked downside to me because everything looked down. It all looked down. It all looked down here. Right? It looked kind of down. So unfortunately I couldn't get this, but don't sweat. It's okay. This one I was stopped out of this one. Right. It was very tricky. That's why I put it on private. It's very tricky. Tricky chart. So what's this? Pound yen. No, did I take the pound yen? Okay, this one went down, but I can tell you that I didn't take this sell. I don't think I took this sell. Initially, I actually took like the buy, but it was on the pound dollar. So although I missed the pound yen sell, again, because I was overseas, it's hard to trade on my mobile phone, especially when it comes to swing trading. So I did not take that, even though the forecast is correct. But this one, I'll show you later that I took the buy on the pound dollar. Okay, so this one, let's see what happened. Yeah, so this move here, this is the pound dollar one which I took. It's about 10 lots. All right, silver lost a little bit. This one more than made up for it. Right, so this is about $21,000 in profit. I think it's about there. So pound yen, pound dollar, they both fell, but again, I never took this, so I took the upside on that one. So this is a good trade, right? This is a good trade. Essentially, if you actually got this and you got that, I mean, that's how a good trader should trade. You can trade it. It's spin around in circles. You're gonna capture everything, man. You're really that good, right? So yeah, so that's good. What's this? Pound dollar bull. Oh yeah, this one we talked about already. So not much to say. Just up. That's all. Right? Oh, one thing I can say about this is why you should always take profit. You see, because that's just basically wishing for this to go up, fly to the sky, and for it to go, and then you see like I would have a label here 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter if it's a setup. You just take the money and go. Don't worry about or hitting 4-hour or daily targets. Take the money and go. Right. So that's okay. Eurocat, what's this? So Eurocat sell looks like a good idea. I think it did it good. No, okay, this one actually again was good. But I did not take this sell. Did not take this sell because I forgot about it. That's the truth. Okay, basically when I draw something like that, I put one line, it's like I'm looking for the downside. I don't want this to go break the top. I don't want this to be broken. And the bias is all sells. But I didn't sell this again because I was not looking at it. After I draw it, sometimes I'm looking at other stuff. Right? But if I came back to trade the Eurocat, it would have been looking for a sell. What's this? Swing buy bias. Oh, that's cool. So here, basically, when it came here, I must have been saying that I'm looking for this move. And then once this move is complete, I don't want this to break, and then I'm looking for this move down. So at this point in time, I'm looking for an upside. Then at this point in time, I'm looking for the downside. Basically, the general direction has to be something like that. All right. Dollar renminbi also interesting. Important swing points. This is important. So basically, when I draw something like that, it means that the sell is a bad idea. It means that the buy is a better. You need to look for this break. Once this is broken, maybe it goes up, maybe it goes down. There's no need to think too much, but think further. But we'll think about it when it breaks. It does more stuff, right? But at this point in time here, you basically don't want the bottom to break. You want it to hold. You want this to be strong, and then you want this to go break the top. Basically, that's the idea. Okay, so basically, going for the upside is the correct idea. So once the top side is broken, anything can happen, right? So we have to reanalyze the trade again after that. Right. So those are the DPs means this important decision points. All right. Okay. Let me just say what that actually means. The important decision points means at this point, if it wants to go swap out more orders, it will come down, but it will still go up again. And here, if enough people have been screwed, right, and this could be the one that's actually going up already. So that's the thing, right? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just going to cover 6 more. All right. Let's go see how many more I got wrong. Pound cat. So what's this? 1, 2, 3. What did I put here? 4, 5. So my count is to the downside. So basically, pound cat, euro cat is down. Okay, it's down. Well, there you go. Did I trade this? I didn't trade this again. Very complicated. Very, very complicated. This whole thing here was crazy. I mean, easily stopped out. I think I was stopped out not for a loss, but was it more like break even? I might have been stopped out for a loss, I think. Because this part was hard to navigate. Let me see. This one was that, and this one was that, right? Yeah, I should have reacted the trade somewhere here, but I think I was stopped out maybe like here. I think I was stopped out somewhere here. Stopped out, and then later on came right down. I was looking at something else, and then after that it just went. But again, the bigger downside was down. Okay, but in actual live trading, it can be. You see, in actual live trading, right? See that. Sorry, this is how messy it can actually be before it actually goes, right? So even the right forecast, I mean, sometimes even though you're stopped out, you need to be stopped out because when the trade plan goes wrong, because of weird whipsaws, it's better to re-enter again, re-enter a trade. Okay? You stopped out and then re-enter again later, right? So that's fine. So this is. I was doing this to just share my thoughts on correlation. You need to check out my YouTube videos on that, my thoughts on that, right? So S&P, I didn't trade this one. It just basically, I was just looking at it and it actually broke lower before it went up. So, but I didn't do anything. I was just drawing it, putting some lines and just trying to see where people will get screwed. But the bigger idea is I didn't want this level to break because I actually wanted this to either go up like that or come down lower here before it actually went up. And this level, I wanted to hold. In order to get that, this level should not break up, basically. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, can do 3 more. All right, let's do 3 more. See whether I got any wrong. How many more wrongs did I get? So euro dollar. Let's see whether what happened here. What's I to say, man? This one is just like give me money, man. Lots of it, all right? Pound dollar. Anyway, things are going well. Things are going. I don't learn anything if things are all going well. So pound dollar buy. What is this? This one actually went down. Okay, let me see. Okay. Now I know where I got this buy from. Now this one came here. Basically, let me see. See this one here. So basically, when this one broke out a trend here. See that? And you have taken, and you had see this consolidation here. You could have taken this buy. Now, if your profit was not taken, there's a very high chance that you'd be stopped out. But I can tell you that here, I just took an aggressive buy right there. I didn't take this buy because it actually broke this low. Right? Basically, I don't want this low to be broken. Basically, right? So when it broke this, basically, I'm not in the trade. But when it came down like this low here, around to this level, I just bought it. I bought it right there. And this is quite easy. This reason for this is more because people who trade this online stuff, right? Well, let me just draw it for you. Because it has that look. It has that look like this, you see? So that's why you just take the buy. That's it. Right? This is not really a double bottom because this actually broke below that. But if you know how to measure your risk, you can actually take that buy. Right? This is up to, for me, 21,000 right now. So that's it. Okay, so I guess that's it. This week I'll probably plan out new forecasts and then I'll get more trade ideas. Then I'll see how many of them I get right or wrong in the next 1 or 2 weeks that follows. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.